my darling FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that have stopped by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. I hope you are enjoying the weather as much as I in wonderful London. Talking about London, United Kingdom, our beautiful Duchess of Cambridge has just kind of sort of announced, that she just might attend the Trooping of Colour. Now this is huge news because, as we all know, the Duchess has kept a low profile since she revealed to us her cancer diagnosis. So I personally thought she's not going to make any public appearances for the rest of the year. You know, take the time off, heal, be with the family, so on and so forth. And so I wasn't expecting anything. But InStyle magazine says otherwise. Let me read it. Kate Middleton reportedly considering a balcony appearance at Trooping the Colour. The Royal Insider claims the princess might make a surprise appearance at the event. I think it would be wonderful. I think that her supporters and the British people, they would love to see her, just to say, we love you, we are in support of you, take all of this rest. I think after such a long hiatus, they would love that. But I personally, should she be pressured to do it? Absolutely not. It goes on to say, as the traditional Trooping the Colour ceremony approaches, royal fans continue to speculate about whether or not the event might mark Kate Middleton's first public appearance since her stomach operation in January and later her cancer treatment. It is now being reported that the Princess of Wales may be considering appearing on the balcony during the event on June 15th. Oh, wow. That is less than 2 weeks. The news comes after Kensington Palace officially announced that Middleton would not be attending the Trooping the Colour rehearsal. That's true. We heard about that a couple of months ago. And that was why I thought, well, if she's not going for the rehearsal, because you need a rehearsal to have a flawless event for the following day. If she's not attending the rehearsal, I don't think that she might be coming. But let me read on. The news comes after the Kensington Palace officially announced that Middleton would not be attending the Trooping the Colour rehearsal, also known as the Cornell's Review, on June the 8th. In the past, Middleton has assumed the role of inspecting officer at the rehearsal. This year, this duty will fall to Lieutenant General James Bucknell, KCB, CBF, a former commander of the Allied Rapid Reaction Corps. Notably, the palace did not mention the main Trooping the Colour event on June 15th in their statement. Trooping the Colour is a yearly formal state ceremonial parade in honor of the official birthday of the British sovereign. The ceremony concludes with the king joining his family on the balcony of Buckingham Palace, where they watch a fly past performed by the Royal Air Force. I live and love that. That for me, that's the most exciting part, and I'm going to watch it again this year. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to go live, so that those of you that are not in the United Kingdom, you can have an experience of it. That is, if you want to, let me know. In the previous years, Middleton and her family, the Duchess of Cambridge, I don't know why they say Middleton, because she is going to be queen. The Duchess of Cambridge and her family, particularly the exuberant young Louis, with some very memorable displays, have delighted the royal fans during their balcony appearance. The palace previously stated that the Duchess of Cambridge's return to public life would only occur when she was fully recovered, of which I absolutely agree. The princess will return to official duties when she is cleared to do so by her medical team, a palace representative said in March after she announced her cancer treatment. She's in good spirits, which is good to hear, and is focused on making a full recovery. However, according to the latest reports, there is still a small chance that Middleton will make a brief appearance, joining her family on the balcony for the traditional fly past and perhaps a few adorable interactions with her children. King Charles III, who is also undergoing cancer treatment, is scheduled to appear at the event, although his role will be scaled back. He is set to travel in a horse-drawn carriage alongside his wife, Queen Camilla, rather than riding on the horseback as he has done in previous years. Well, that is it, folks. That is what we have. So we wish her the best, and it will be lovely, lovely to see her. It will be lovely to see the children. But I think that she has dedicated her life to public service. If we don't see her for 1 year, will we even remember? You know what I mean? In the, grand scheme of things, 25 years further down, we will remember that she, of course, cancer diagnosis, but would we remember that she didn't attend Trooping the Color? I don't think so. And there's a fabulous picture of her here in pink. I love this dress. It's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. And there's another one again of mint. Maybe after this episode, I'll put some pictures of her in some of the most favorite outfits I think Princess of Wales has worn, or that I have liked. Talking about dresses, are we living and loving? I bought this dress in Paris. I should get up. And I love it. It's ruched in the center. Let me push that back. There you go, so you can see it. And then you have the bag. And then this gorgeous necklace. Let me sit back down. This gorgeous necklace is by Tiffany Amber, a Nigerian designer of whom I absolutely live and love. Her kaftans are absolutely to die for, and she has this in various colors. If you love it, I will put her Instagram page and you can let her know that Fumi sent you. Okay, I absolutely live and love this. And when I was thinking of what to wear for this, I thought this is it with my silver earrings that I bought on Amazon. And you can go to my Amazon storefront and get them there.
By the window all alone. Excuses every time. Got some problems with your phone. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. You think you have the right. I won't take with your phone. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. You think you have the right, I won't take it anymore. I'm fed up with all your lies. You keep asking for forgiveness. Get ready for a big surprise. I'ma make you feel this one. I'm not sorry, you're such a bad, bad liar. In no hurry, I put your clothes on fire. And I'm not sorry, the flames keep climbing higher, burning in the night. I put your clothes on fire. I put your clothes on fire. I'm throwing out your keys with a trash, saying wash. Yeah, you're begging on your knees. They say I am in a rush. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. You think you got it right, but my heart is freezing cold. I'm fed up with all your lies. You keep asking for forgiveness. Get ready for a big surprise. I'ma make you feel this one. I'm not sorry, you're such a bad, bad liar. In no hurry, I put your clothes on fire. And I'm not sorry, the flames keep climbing higher, burning in the night. I put your clothes on fire, baby. Yeah. It's a little too late for love.
And that is it, my darlings. I am very excited because we have a meet and greet on the 4th of July, and the most exciting of all is that we have finally found a venue. You are going to live and love, and for the VIPs, we actually have a VIP waiting area for you guys. Yes, we do. And I also have consultation. For those of you that want to speak to me, I have consultation for you. Also going to put my post box for Europe and then for the Americas. All right. And breaking news, we are having meet and greet in Lagos, Nigeria. December, I'm coming home. So Christmas time, I will be there from the 20th to about the 3rd of January. 20th of December to the 3rd of January. So I will see all of you. What? I'll see all of you there, Lagos. Make gonna get ready. Oh. We go boogie. Make gonna get ready. All of my love, darlings. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you. What? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.